So now I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful rustic rag bow wreath. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start, we've got this dollar store wired square wreath, and all we've done is use this nautical rope, and we're just going under and then over and under and over. And let's just kind of move this along here so it's all even, and the bow will go about there, so I'm not worried about that piece. And we're just going to tuck this under here, and we'll put this aside. And now I'm going to grab my Bowdabra and get some Bowdabra Bow Wire, and we'll cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half, put it in the Bowdabra, and then I still have enough Bowdabra Bow Wire left to tie the bow onto the wreath. So what I love about rag bows is that it's supposed to look kind of ragamuffin, so it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. So those of you who are into perfection, this is not the bow for you. So now I'm going to take our velvet ribbon and we're just going to scrunch that down in here. Then I'm going to take my lace. I love this antique lace. It's so pretty. And lay this down. So we're making our tails right now. And now here we have this white tail, and we're just going to take, so that's why these are mismatched lengths and sizes, because we just used scraps of fabric and just cut it at will. And bring this down here, and then take this fabric here, and we're just going to lay this in. By the way, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. And every Wednesday we have a new video that I do that comes out. We actually film them in advance, but they do come out every Wednesday. And so that's what we're filming right now, are these videos to go out on YouTube and on our blog on Wednesdays. So now we're going to take our velvet ribbon, and again, none of these ribbons are wired, so we're just folding and twisting. So we're going to fold it over, twist it, and lay it down. And I'm definitely not worried about the size of my loops, because it doesn't matter in a rag bow. It's supposed to be a little off perfection. So, and then for those of you who are new to Bowdabra, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. I'm just going to lay this down in here and lay this down here. And then now we've got like two little pieces here. So what I'm going to do is lay this in here and just fold this over here and do the same thing there. Just fold it in. And we're going to do the same thing with this piece. So I have this here, and just kind of bring this around here, fold that in, and just make my loop here. Give that a little twist. And then what I'm going to do is take our fabric. We're just going to twist it and fold it back, and now we're going to just, oops, I forgot to twist. So twist it so the wrong side of my fabric is on the inside of my loops, and we'll twist it, bring that back over, and twist, and bring it back in here and twist it, fold it back. And also don't forget, our YouTube channel has over 900, I can't even believe it, 950 videos. So there's always a video to teach you how to use the Bowdabra for virtually any bow that you can think of. So we're going to just fold that and fold this back over and twist and fold it and twist and fold and twist and twist. Bring this back around here, and whoops, I forgot to twist it, and bring the last piece in. Now I'm going to take my lace and we're just going to fold this back and forth because it's the same on both sides, and I sort of want it to be a little floppy because that's sort of the nice technique with the rag bow. We'll just go back and forth here and bring it back and forth. So this is so super simple to do. Bring it back and forth. So let me know where you're watching from and which Bowdabra you have. And if you're new to Bowdabra and you're interested in getting a Bowdabra, you can purchase them at Hobby Lobby, you can get it on Amazon, you can get it at bowdabra.com. Just leave that there. And take my wand, give everything a really good scrunch. And while it's still in the Bowdabra, I'm going to sort of start shaping. And bring this here. Sometimes it's easier to shape it a little bit while it's still in the Bowdabra. And bring these this way and these this way here. And let's just clip this here. And also, for those of you who don't know, every Monday we do a live showing how to use the Bowdabra and all different kinds of projects. It's a half-an-hour live we do on both YouTube and Facebook. And on the lives, we always give away a gift. Usually it's a roll of our Bowdabra scrunchie ribbon, but you never know. Sometimes we'll surprise people and even give away a Bowdabra. So now I'm going to, and that lives are at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. And just keep doing this here. And shape this out. And let our tails fall down here. And now I'm going to take this bow and we're going to tie it and tie it up here. Wait, let's see, where do I want to tie this? I guess it doesn't really matter. And put it here. And just tie a bow here. Pretty easy to do. And now we'll just sort of finish shaping. And we're going to take our brooch and we're just going to lay this right down in here. And you have a beautiful rag bow wreath. So super simple to make. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.